Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you Android phone stuck on welcome screen. If your Android phone is stuck on welcome screen, it seems that the phone is turned on and it seems not to be turned on. You don't know whether you can enter the home screen and use the phone normally. Over time, you are more eager to know how to unfreeze Android phone from welcome screen. Today's video will tell you how to fix Android phone stuck on welcome screen. This video is applicable to mobile phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch this video patiently. Generally speaking, there are several reasons for welcome screen stuck on Android phone. 1. You rooted your Android phone, causing the internal operating system of the Android phone to malfunction. 2. Update failure or interruption. When the Android software update fails or is interrupted, when you want to use your Android phone normally, you will find that the phone is stuck on welcome screen. 3. Application failure. If an application has been recently installed on the device, the application may not be compatible with other reference programs or system versions of Android, which may cause problems. 4. A defective SD card may also cause Android phone get stuck on welcome screen. SD card is an easily overlooked problem, but this is often the problem. How to get Android phone out of stuck welcome screen. We have summarized some good ways to solve the problem. Please watch the video patiently, and I believe there is always a solution that can solve your problem. You can try the methods in the video one by one or find the method that you think is suitable for you. Android phone stuck on welcome screen fix. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is soft reset. If you suspect that a software-related failure caused Android phone frozen on welcome screen, then you can try to soft reset your Android phone. Soft reset can eliminate some software failures and make the Android phone run normally. And soft reset will not cause the Android phone to lose any data. Please follow the steps below to try to soft reset your Android phone. To soft reset your Android phone, long press the combination key of the phone's soft reset. The combination of soft reset keys for Samsung phones in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the combination of soft reset keys on your phone for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, and then your phone will automatically restart. After waiting for the restart to complete, use the phone normally to test whether it gets past Android phone frozen on welcome screen. Method 2 is to remove the SD card. If it is the SD card that makes Android phone frozen on welcome screen, the solution to the problem is to remove the SD card from the Android device and see if the Android phone returns to normal after removal. If the Android device works normally, it proves that there is a problem with the SD card. At this time, please try using another SD card. Method 3 is to remove the battery and put it back. If the problem is not caused by software failure and SD card, you can also try to remove the battery of the Android device and put it back to cut off the power of the phone to fix the problem of welcome screen freezes on Android phone. Of course, if your phone battery is not removable, you can also wait for the phone to run out of power, then charge the phone and try to turn on the phone. Method 4 is to start in safe mode. When the device boots up in safe mode, it boots up without third-party apps and with original settings. This is the best way to know if there are glitches and bad apps on your device. So, if the stuck welcome screen on Android phone is caused by an app, booting up in safe mode is the best option. Safe mode also won't let you lose any data, so feel free to try this method. To enter safe mode, follow these steps. First, make sure your Android phone is off, then long press the power button. When the phone logo appears on the screen, release the power button and long press the volume down button. If done correctly, your Android phone should turn on and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of the screen. If nothing goes wrong in safe mode, it is certain that a third-party app is the cause of the conflict. Please delete the suspicious third-party apps one by one and verify again. To exit safe mode, restart your Android phone. Method 5 is hard reset. If the welcome screen freezing on Android phone still exists, the only thing left is the last hard reset. Hard reset is to restore factory settings, so the problem with hard reset is data loss. It involves deleting all data from the device and restoring the default settings when the device was new. This is the ultimate troubleshooting method. So, don't use this method lightly unless it is a last resort. When you have decided to try this method, back up your data first. Then follow the steps below to factory reset your Android phone. Connect your phone to the computer. Make sure your phone is turned off and wait for at least 30 seconds. Then press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. Do not release them during this time. In Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option and press the power button to confirm. After that, use the volume down button again to select factory reset and use the power button to select yes option to confirm. The reset process will be triggered and it will take only 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After completion, it will take you back to the same recovery mode. After that, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your Android phone will turn on again and enter the home screen normally. The problem of Android phone stuck on startup screen has been solved. The last step is to retransfer your backed up data to the Android phone. Method 6 is to find a professional. This video shows several useful strategies to easily stop Android phone from stuck on welcome screen. However, if none of the above methods work, then unfortunately, you can only take your phone to the official after sales service center and let their staff help you check and fix Android phone frozen on welcome screen. That's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment section. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also tell us your opinions and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.